Look at this location. Oh my god. What's up viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Catch a Mile. This is Gautam. Today we are in the R8, but it's going to be a special video today because there is a new Lamborghini Huracan. It's the latest Lamborghini Huracan to come to Bangalore. You will love the color, guys. So once you see it, you will have a clear picture of what the car looks like. So today we are going to go there. We'll see how the car is. Today will be the first time me seeing the car as well. So I'm pretty excited, guys. The car looks stunning in the images. So I'm waiting to see. We're going for a small drive. Few other cars are also going to be joining us. So let's see how the day goes. And I hope you enjoy the vlog. Guys, this is the lineup. Today the R8 finally has joined the Saturday drive. The RS5, Mustang and an RS7 there. People are stopping to take pictures and that's why, you know, the traffic. We are still waiting for the Huracan to come. But I think it's better if we move our cars from here. Not safe. RS5, R8, RS7. And a Porsche Carrera S. We have a ZX-10R also. A Mustang. This has a Shelby GT kit. I'll show that to you in a second. So that's the Akrapovic. And finally we have the Huracan. Guys, this is the Huracan. Look at that. Oh my god. Looks insane. And the Porsche Cayman S. We have the Porsche Macan. But oh my god, just look at this car. Insane. That's the Porsche. Guys, look at all these people. Look at this. Everyone here to see the cars. Oh my god, this is crazy. Okay, you saw the Huracan. Once we get to Prestige Golfshire, I'll show you the car in detail. So now let's leave. What's that? This is not a regular Porsche SUV, guys. It's a Macan Turbo. The Porsche Macan Turbo. Okay, this is Prestige Golfshire. So this is the first time that I'll also be going in. Don't know how it is inside. They're checking the temperatures. Wow, nice. Looks nice. There's a GLC 43 also, a red color. That's also pretty loud. Isuzu ide. These are all private houses. Wow, villas. ಜನನೂ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ ಮೂವಿನ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 20 ಕ್ರೋಸ್ ಏನೋ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಮನೆ. Wow, this place is really nice. ಏನಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಆ ಕಾರಿಂದ ಇದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದು
ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕ
ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡು TPF ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು.
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದೇನೋ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಕೋಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿದೆಯಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಟೀಜ್ ಗಾಲ್ಫ್ ಶಾರ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಆ ರೈಟಲ್ಲಿ
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಪಾಂಡಿಚೇರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಈ ಕಾರ್ ಯಜೂರನ್ನ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಲಾಂಗ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ.
ಹ್ಞೂ ಬ್ರೋ, ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಗೈಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಟೀಜ್ ಗಾಲ್ಫ್ ಶಾರ್. So peaceful here. Look at this. Wow, crazy place. This is the restaurant. I can't show you that because people are sitting. The highest is around 15, it seems, the villas here. It starts from around 8 or 9 and it goes up to 15, but it's a crazy place. It's so pleasant and the villas are also damn nice. So the video you all have been waiting for, let's go check out the Lamborghini Huracan. I know guys, the title is bought a new Lamborghini Huracan, but it's not mine, it's my friend's. That's why I haven't put it as I bought a Lamborghini. So yes, let's go check it out. And about this Mustang, I'll do a separate video on that because it's slightly different. It has some crazy modifications. It has the Shelby kit and it is 500 horsepower. I'll do it separately. Hi.
Show that Lamborghini in the awesome car.
Why my car isn't nice?
Where is your car?
The orange one there. Which is nice?
This one.
This one. So yeah guys, 1 minute, I'll show you this car.
This is Audi, huh?
Yeah, alright.
This also looks cool.
It's nice.
Come in!
So guys, this is the key for the Huracan. Damn, look at these rims. He got a new set of tires installed recently. These are 20-inch alloy wheels. It has the red calipers. And guys, the car is slightly up now because it has a feature called the axle lift. It increases the ground clearance a little, so that's why he has put it in that mode now. Look at this, the Lamborghini. The Urus also had same key. Did you see that? Check out these handlebars, they go inside. When you unlock it, it comes out and you have to open it like this. Wow. The center console is almost similar to the Urus, but that has a digital screen and all that. Look at the seats are really good. Huracan. The interior is completely Alcantara. This is Alcantara and this is leather. That's why it has this finish. I think the headlights are tinted. Yeah, it gives a stealth look. Now coming to the driver's side, this is the fuel cap. What do you think about the color? The original color is this, the black. On top of that, they have wrapped it like I told, copper goldish color. I don't know what exactly the color is. Look at this, when it is unlocked, you have to push it in and open it like this. Let's sit inside. Wow, oh my god guys, these seats are crazy. They are so comfortable, at least for me. They hold you in place. Look at this This is the dial. Wow. This is the engine compartment. I'll show you the engine bay also and the hood. But damn, some small storage space. Look at this design here, guys. Wow. This is the first time I'm sitting in the driver's seat of a Lamborghini Huracan. Wow. It has Strada, Sport and Corsa modes, and this is how you start and stop the engine. Look at that dial. Oh my god. Wow. Wait. Let's turn it off. This is the engine bay. Wow. Lamborghini. It's a V10 engine. It's a 610 horsepower V10 engine. Let's put this back. And this is the hood. This is very small compared to my R8's hood. There are some bags here. So let's lock the car. I'm not gonna start it because my friend still hasn't come here. Once he comes, I'll tell him to start and we'll do some revs. This is a dream car. I hope you liked today's video. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. So let's start the car. Wow. This has the stock exhaust. These are for the various oil temperature, pressure and all that. This is the display. Wow, crazy car. A very nice choice. Rev madam, light. This is the stock exhaust. Stock exhaust idu. Innondu saku. Off ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡು. Oh my god. This is the stock exhaust and it's crazy loud. Wow. Crazy sound.